What is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Eddie, and right now I'm standing next to the Supra because I just added a little something onto the car. I don't think you guys would notice it. Here, let me see if you guys can notice it. Let me see. See here, I'll go like this. Let's see if you guys can notice it.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
No? Okay, I'm pretty sure you guys aren't gonna notice it. I don't think anybody would notice it with just that little pan. But if not, I'll tell you guys. But before I show you guys, I gotta give a huge shout out to CNC Pros. They're out based in Australia. If you guys know, I had some Meister center caps from them a while ago that they did for me, and I truly appreciate that. And he sent me their new revised version of the Workmeister center caps. And bro, they are so sick. So I've been waiting for these for a couple of weeks because I had one set, but then the other set didn't fit. So I had to tell him, and then he sent me out some new ones, and now they finally arrived. But bro, they are so sick. Check these out. They look like normal center caps to you guys, right? They look like some normal center caps. Here, let me block the sun. Oh, look at this. Oh yeah. Not just your regular center caps, we got floating center caps. So when I'm driving, they're gonna be still, which is so sick. So I can't wait to get some rollers with these center caps on because it's gonna look so sick driving. But again, huge shout out to CNC Pros for hooking your boy up with these because they are so sick. Just look at that, man. I think I'm the first one with the Supra to have floating center caps. Meister center caps at that. So again, huge shout out to CNC Pros for hooking your boy up with these because they are so damn dope. And if you guys want some for your Meisters, hit them up at cnc.pros on their Instagram and they'll hook you guys up. Yeah, but hopefully later today we go get a car wash because the car needs a wash desperately. It is so dirty, bro. It is so dusty. There's my dad. But it is so dirty and dusty, dude. It needs one really bad. Haven't washed it in probably like a week. Yeah, bro, a week is too much for me. I need to wash it. So hopefully when we go wash it later, I can get somebody to help me get some rollers of the center caps so you guys can see how it looks while I'm driving. Well, would you look at who we have here? Mr. Caleb, I see you, sir, with the Supra. You guys are probably wondering what we have. Actually spawned it at Adro right now, their new headquarters, because they're unveiling the new wide body on the M3, the G8X chassis. So came by and got a couple of cars right here in front of us. X3. We got D. I rolled up with him in the Toyota today. Got this carbon fiber Bronco. They need a chill. I mean, you guys seen this Bronco everywhere. This thing is fully insane. This thing is modded crazy. D right here, even with the spare. Damn. R32. Sheesh, must be nice. We're in the Agile warehouse, as you guys can see. This thing is sick. Got the boy Johnny and Carlo right here, looking so sick. They did a chill. Beautiful M2. This thing is sick. Then they got 3 unveilings. I believe that's a G80, G82, and another G80. So I think that happens at 5. I think that's like another hour, but this is a dope little setup. I like the way they got this little lounge here. Then we got another Adro M4 wide body. Got that fade wrap. Look at the interior too. The way it has Adro. No, the seats are sick. As you guys can see, hella Beamers, dude. Damn. As I assumed. One has a front Christmas end wrap. But shit. This one is sick though. With that crazy livery you guys seen. Oh, you guys know how bad I want an M2. Those color wheels are sick. Like that gray. Still till 5 to the unveil, so we're just waiting. But damn, they're making tacos over here. What? I didn't know they were making tacos. That's crazy. Nah, I'm excited. I need one of these. I want one really bad. So we just got a whole Ferrari pulling up on us like this. SF90. That thing is sick. That spec. Very nice, very nice. Damn, nice, nice. We're about to start, but they're all dipping out now. Damn, the M2 is nice. That shit is clean. I like the wheel choice. Unless they're dirty or that color, but that's nice. Also nice. Clean.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
What's up? We're at Adro.
Talk to him.
Keynote. It's gonna be blast.
It's perfect, bro. I don't even gotta say anything else. He did it for me.
Now, I want to talk a little bit about Adro and what we do here. It's a blend between science and art. The art of aerodynamics and creating something absolutely beautiful. Of course, that it goes without being said, this couldn't have been made possible without all of you. So I want to give you guys a round of applause and a huge thank you for coming on out. So a huge round of applause. So take a look at this feature presentation, and we'll get the show on the road.
Design begins in the play. Ideas drift, they reshape themselves in silence. Slowly, intention forms every detailed question, every line with purpose. Crafted with focus, shaped by patience, guided by instinct. Moment by moment, it grows until the idea becomes real, and creation finally steps out of your mind and into the world.
Thanks for the soft launch. We really appreciate it. This could have not been without your support.
That looks really good on that floor. Everybody's running over there already. Yo, chill. Let me see first. No. I think we gotta make our way over there, huh? Yeah, that color. Look at that, bro. That front bumper is crazy. That's hella aggressive. I think like it's so good. That color choice too. Oh my god. This thing is also nice. Gives it like the kidney grills now. It's so sick. That color too, man. Damn. And they even got it on the G80 as well. That was the M4 we just saw. This is the G80. All different chassis. So you got in the G80, G82, and then the wide body G82. So sick. Huge congrats to Adro, bro. This thing is insane. Those bumpers make the G80's chassis look so insane. It made it like way more aggressive. Huge shout out to Adro for the tacos, man. Taking care of people. Hey, yeah, like and subscribe, Caleb. But yeah, huge shout out to Adro, man. Once again, dope little turnout they had. Unveiled some dope ass cars with new updated bumpers and everything like that. Appreciate y'all for the hospitality. We got the F80 right here. Looks insane. Next to the Honda. Then we got Preston's crazy wide body with the new updated front end. And bro, this thing looks insane. Absolutely amazing, bro. This is literally how it should have came from BMW. With the two kidney grills, it really makes it look BMW. And dude, the color is so good. I wish I was driving that home. Same thing with the non-wide body. Looks so good. Even on this one, the blue. This was their V1 bumper. That is the V2 bumper. Looks so sick. And then on that side, you can really see the differences from like stock to the new one. So look, if you see, we got the new V2 updated bumper. Then we got the V1. And then we got the stock G80 front bumper. Stock, V1, and V2. Which one do you guys like more? The stock one, the V1, or the V2? Which one do you guys like more? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. It literally looks like a complete different car from that over there. It's crazy. See that? Then you see this. Crazy, crazy difference. Again, congrats to Adro. Batmobile's out of here. Bro, this thing literally like looks like a Batmobile in the dark. Just look at this thing. It looks like a python snake. Chill. Literally Batmobile. Oh my gosh. I love Carlos' build. Bro, so I pulled over to the side real quick because look how foggy it is, bro. This is a field of like grass and all that, but it is so foggy and dark, bro. Look at this. You can't even see anything. Shit is scary, bro. Oh, hell no. I am out of here. I heard something right now and I am out of here. Fuck that. That scared the fuck out of me. Yeah, we leaving. I heard some shit in those like areas and no, we out of here, bro. Fuck that. Shit, I would probably die out here. Let's get up out of here. You got that little song.
Just the 251 sounds insane. Dude, it sounds so good. Whew. Yeesh. All the lowriders are pulling up. Hella lowriders, hella classics, hella Bel Airs, bro. And if you guys are wondering where I'm at a parade. My girlfriend's uncle is in the parade, and he has like, I think 2 Impalas, I believe. Yeah, they're doing a whole parade down over here in Chatsworth. This thing is sick. It's my first time actually at this one, which is pretty dope. And this is my girlfriend's uncle's Impala. This thing is beautiful. So is the one back there. They're working on it, but damn, it's just nice, bro. Yeah, I want one of these one day, bro. Look at the interior too. The interior is mint. He does upholstery too, so what a damn guy. Very nice, very nice. There's also this one over here. This color is so sick. Nah, dude, you guys are messing it up, dude. You guys are messing it up. Come on.
Right here, what do you think, Eddie?
I think so.
Go, like,
in the middle, right?
Middle, like right here?
Yeah, right there.
Right there?
Yep. Wow. You're the
Dang.
professionals, dude.
Got the camera, man.
Professionals.
Hell yeah. Yeah, dude.
Yeah, there's a lot of cars everywhere right now. They got all these beautiful lowriders, bro. And it's mainly a lot of these shop owners, like all these storefronts out here. It's mainly a lot of them, you know, just much advertising their shops and all that, but then also just putting a parade for the whole city of Chatsworth, which is pretty sick. They even got the cops out here, the popo, everybody. They got the horses dancing. We're dancing tamborazo over here. This is why I want me a Bel Air. They just look nice as fuck. These things are just, man. I need one in my life. Maybe one day put a drag pack on it, bro. Woo! That'd be sick. What in the world? Look at this, man. What the what? Who needs a Lamborghini, bro? Who needs one? They even got a disco ball in there. Look at that. Chill. Her uncle's upholstery shop that I was telling you guys about earlier in Chatsworth. And that's his car right there, too. I'm just waiting for these for the start. I am tired. I'm gonna be sitting right here on this car. I feel so bad, but it is what it is. Look at this cool guy. Bro, it suits him so well though. Sheesh, we got all the no camera cuz. Yeah, no camera cuz. The C10 is beautiful though. Look what's in front of us, bro. We got 2 horses. Look at this guy.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
That's crazy. These new trash cans, they're gonna be electric. This is a full-on electric trash can. The future, dude. Crazy. Well, you guys know I had to come get a wash because the car is filthy. I said I was gonna wash it earlier in this vlog and I didn't get to wash it. So today, literally watching this video the day I'm washing it, like Monday. So I am washing my car right now the day you guys are watching this video. But yeah, the car needs one so bad. It is filthy and I just want to start the week off right with a fresh, clean car. I was supposed to wash it yesterday, but I didn't get the chance to, so today we're washing it right now. This car really needs it right now, but every stall right now is full. Alright, so we finally got a little stall, so let's get to washing the car. If you guys don't have this, I highly recommend it. If your wheels get dirty very fast, like my Meisters here, I highly recommend this product, bro. Not sponsored at all, but I love using this thing because it comes in clutch. Just spray it on there real quick and let it just sit for a little bit. Do this on the, I usually do it only on the rear wheels because the front ones don't need it that bad, but the rears definitely need it. Look at that. Look at this. It's getting purple and nasty. Ew. Look, just with a couple of seconds. Look at this. Look at that, bro. That is disgusting. But this thing comes in clutch. And you guys already know the dealio with the towel. If you guys don't, it's because this tail light condensates a little bit, so I covered it with a towel so a lot of water doesn't get into the head tail light. So hopefully this comes in clutch. Usually it works, and sometimes a little bit will get inside, but hopefully this time none gets inside. So let's get to washing it. I hope it doesn't fall. I just did this right now. So I hope it doesn't fall while I'm turning around.
Life and these weird niggas hands, baby. It's not enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough. Few bitches that'll really step, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough. I get on their ass. Yeah, somebody gotta do it.
Now let me show you the wheels. Look at this. But look how clean I'll leave them right after. at that. Look what a difference it did, bro. Right before you guys saw this, it was dirty. And with the wheel cleaner, it comes in so clutch. Now let's do the other one. McGuire, sponsor me, please. But look at that, bro. Sliding right off. Wow. See that spinning, though? You see the floating center cap, though? Chill.
She don't see it how I see it. Got a big mouth, but he lack big ideas. Send him to the moon, that's just how I feel. Yeah, then you are. It's not enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough. Few bitches that'll really step, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough.
Are we really sure that our love that lasted for so long still endure? Do I really care? Hey, hey, let's talk about the distractions going on elsewhere.
So we have finished up, guys, and damn, she looking good. Every time I wash this car, bro, it looks so damn good. Look at the Meisters, shining, glistening. And then I told you guys about my tail light. A little bit of condensation got inside, a little bit. The towel really helped because it didn't get a lot in there. So that came in clutch, but wheels looking hella good. I'm scared to drive her home just because I know it's gonna get a little dirty on the way home. But once I get home, we're gonna wash it all up and look good. All right, guys, now let's head home because there's hella traffic. I appreciate everyone here. A lot of the people were telling me my car is sick, it looks sick. Like, just so many compliments, bro. I really appreciate that. And the dude with the Porsche right here, man, he was complimenting me too, telling me how beautiful the color is on the car and everything like that. Yeah. Even the guy's telling me right now, he's like, damn, this thing's low. But hey, bro, the low life. Oh fuck, I don't wanna open the windows. Man, huge shout out to that guy right there, bro. He was giving me like compliments on the car and everything, telling me how beautiful it is. And that hits me with the God bless you. Man, God bless you, brother. I hope God is, watching over you, protecting you, man. Cause I appreciate when someone tells me God bless you and everything like that, dude. I love that. Alright guys, let's get home. So we are finally home. The Supra is parked, looking nice and right, looking very clean. And I'm actually about to put the car cover on right now to keep it clean for the night at least, or hopefully the whole week. Hopefully, because even at work I put a car cover on just to keep it clean. I don't want the carbon or anything like that fading on me. But I just realized that my audio was messed up, so hopefully my other clips aren't messed up either. Hopefully not. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button so you guys are part of the family, so you guys don't miss out on any future bangers. And again, I truly appreciate everyone who's been watching the videos, who's been watching the whole videos or even watching old videos, or if you're newly subscribed. I appreciate y'all for real. Truly means the world to me. And again, all glory to God. Don't forget that. Put God first, you know what I'm saying? Because without him, we would not be here. We would not be able to obtain the things we have without him. So don't forget that, guys. Again, huge shout out to Adro for the hospitality, the tacos, and the invite and everything like that. The new G8X front bumper looks insane, if you guys didn't see that. This has been your boy Eddie. I'm out.
If you ain't coming for no chili, what you come for? Nigga feel like he entitled cause he knew me since a kid. Bitch, I cut my granny off and she don't see it.